Imagine being born invisible. You are alive, but can't prove that you exist. You want to learn, but no school will take you. You want to be useful, but aren't allowed to work. When you are sick, the doctor ignores you. When you fall in love, they won't marry you. You don't have children, for fear they will be invisible too. You are sure that you are human, but you have no human rights. And when you die, there is no proof that you ever lived at all. Every 10 minutes, a person like this is born. They have no nationality and are told they don't belong anywhere. But everyone has a right to nationality. Everyone has a right to say, I belong.